Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel or to the page. Yes guys, so we'll be making coconut rice, my grandmother's way. There's a way my grandmother taught me I want to really make this coconut rice. So guys, let's get started. If you haven't followed, you haven't subscribed, you have not liked, go through our other videos. Please do well by going through them. Yes guys, so let's get started. And let me show you guys, I have my ginger and garlic. Yeah, I'll be using this and this, and then I have my fresh tomatoes. So we are using fresh tomatoes for this recipe. Yes guys, and then this is my coconuts. This is my coconuts, yeah. And this is my pepper. Actually, this is a very hot pepper. I'll be adding some. Then this is my rice, and this is my vegetable oil. So no much complicated ingredients. So we'll start by chopping up our onion. Then next we'll start by cutting this like it's very sweet. I'll not be using coconut cream for this recipe because I actually want that village taste, like that village style. So there's no additional whatever, just natural flavors. So I'll be blending this just to extract the juice. I think this is actually too much. Let's just use this. So much. I didn't see that it was big. So guys, this is our juice. This is what we got. It's not much. At least this is just one coconut because the rice is not much. So guys, this is the much milk we got. What is it? So we'll be blending this. So why my recipes will be different from my grandmother's own is because she uses crayfish and fish. Now this is blended, but we'll be using chicken here. I don't have fish and I don't have crayfish, so we'll be using chicken for this recipe. So guys, let's start cooking. This is the spices we'll be using. This one, and then 2 cubes of nor, and these are salts, and this is thyme. Yeah guys, so let's get started. So I'll be adding this.
Mommy.
Adding a coconut milk now. So guys, yummy. So this is her recipe. She doesn't allow this to boil. So you just add it and then you stir. You don't let it boil. And you go about adding your rice just immediately. This one you can then stir. Guys, you can see the color, so colorful, you know. So now at this point you can add your water and then you test for salt. And also we'll be adding more salt. This point, guys. Small, so we're covering it. Like at this point our food is ready, guys. Can you see the smokiness? And it's yummy too, like, you know that smell of coconut rice. So guys, this is my grandmother's recipe. Would you be trying this? Like guys, it's so yummy, trust me, so yummy. Anyway guys, let's go ahead to prepare our coleslaw. My dressing, I'll be using this salad cream, and then I'll be using mayonnaise.